Hello again to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial, I want to explain more the key difference between measure and calculated column in Power BI. So let's do that by this data that we have here. So let's discover our data in this table view. Okay, as we see with me, we have some data here, financial data. I want to create in column or a calculated column, then I can't also calculating or create a measure based on some uh, column that we have here in our dataset. Well, to do that, let's create a new column. Okay. Here, its name is column cost. Okay. We want to create in the cost of this product that we have here in this data sheet because we have sales and we have the profit. Then we need to create in another column called cost. So to do that, just we need to choose in this financial sales minus financial cost. Financial cost. Okay. Where is the cost here? Or is the profit? Okay. Then click OK. And if we go to this table, as we see with me, we have this new column created called cost. So as I tell you in the previous video, this calculated column is strung along with a table. Okay. And it's a consumption of memory. If we have a lot of data at this time, we need much of memory to work on it. Okay. Well, we created this new column called cost. Okay. And we creating this new column based on this some specific columns that we have here in our dataset, the sales and the profit. Okay, so let's create in now the measure and see. Okay, okay. So to create the measure, we need new measure. So let's call total sales. Okay, it is a sum of what of all the sales that we have. Okay, and the measure of total sales is created. Well, if we return to this table view, the measure does not exist here. Not stay is not stored in the table, but it exists. It's temporary and is dynamic calculated. Okay, it's not like the column calculated is single is stay along with table. Okay, well, if we return here to see visualization, so let's try this visualization. We need cells, okay, and we need the products. So product here, okay, and we trace here. We copy and paste same visualization, and we drop this sum of cells, and we apply our mirror that created now. Okay, And if we compare, we have the same results. But the key difference here, the calculated column is stay in the table, but the measure is not, but is dynamically calculated and is more powerful than column calculated. Okay, so here let's show you the power of the measure. Now, so as we showed me, we have some data here. We need to calculate the profit of last year. How we can do that using measure. So we go here, we create a new measure, and let's call it sales. Okay, sales of last year. Last year is equal to calculated. It's calculated the sum of what? The sum of let's trade in the profits. Okay, we have the profit here. We need the profit of last year. Okay, so we close the parentheses and comma and same last year. Okay, same last period. We need this financial table. Okay, of dates. Okay, this is here some profit same last year financial date. Okay, okay. Then the measure is created. So we created the profit of last year, and we can see how that is how we can do that to compare the profits that we have between the years. So let's see that in table. So we want uh the date here, but here we need to drop this hierarchy that we have because we need just a year and month. We drop the quarter and day and save the year and months here. Okay. Okay. And we need the profits. So we add in the profit here to see the profit that we have into this year, 2013 and 14. And we add in the sales of last year here to see the key difference. Okay. This is how. So let's zoom that. Okay. We calculated the profit of last year, and if we go to compare that, so we see that here, okay, some September of 2013, there is the value here, okay, and for October and November and December also, okay, and to visualize that, we can just see, okay, okay, great. So if we compare sales here into, okay, So we compare here the sales or the profit between 2 years. So here in the last year, okay, the profit is decreased, okay, compared to uh the previous year, okay. We have this sales or the profit is decreased, okay. So here at least we have a overview about the profit, how it is between 2 years, okay. So uh okay, we kinda making some decisions, maybe by choosing the strategy of sales, or maybe to making some changes in our product or something like that, or make the customer or the circle of customers is more big or something like that. But at least we have the ability to make some decisions, okay. So I hope that's clear for you all. Happy learning again, and see you in next tutorial. Bye bye.